Friends, do you remember that golden era when holding a BlackBerry in your hand was the ultimate symbol of power, status, and absolute prestige? Every corporate giant, every industry leader, and every tech lover proudly rocked that iconic QWERTY keypad in their pocket. But times changed, giants got left behind, and it felt like the sun had set on that empire forever. They say a lion at rest hasn't forgotten how to hunt, he's just scripting his most terrifying comeback. And today, that exact moment has arrived. BlackBerry is staging the most jaw-dropping comeback of the century, unleashing an absolute beast into the market that has boardroom executives at Apple and Samsung sweating bullets. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome this year's ultimate tech titan, the BlackBerry Titan 5G. Let's unbox this magical piece of engineering and see why it's about to shake the entire smartphone industry to its very core. Design and display. Let's start with the design and display, because the moment you lay eyes on it, you'll feel like you've time traveled straight to the year 2050 while keeping your nostalgia alive. At first, you might experience a slight shock. Yes, BlackBerry has finally said goodbye to its signature physical QWERTY keypad. Why? Because this time, the company has pulled off an even bigger revolution. Up front, you are greeted by a massive 6.75-inch 4K micro OLED edge-to-edge curved display. This isn't just an ordinary screen. The colors and contrasts are so hyper-realistic and sharp that if you watch a video of ocean waves on it, you'll practically feel the cool mist and water on your hands. Now, cast your eyes on its armor, the back panel. It is entirely forged from aviation-grade carbon fiber, the exact same ultra-strong material used to build the world's most advanced fighter jets. The second you hold it, it feels less like a phone and more like a high-tech gadget or a futuristic weapon. Not only does it look insanely premium, but its durability is legendary. If you accidentally drop it on the floor, the ground itself might be the one scared of getting scratched. Camera setup. Moving on to the department that has set tech social media completely on fire, the revolutionary camera setup. BlackBerry didn't hold back here. They've armed this phone with a triple sensor powerhouse combination that throws all traditional photography history straight into the trash. The primary shooter is a gargantuan 200-megapixel ultra-vision sensor paired with the world's widest f1.2 variable aperture, ensuring that even at 2 a.m. in pitch-black darkness, it captures images so bright and crisp you'll think it's high noon. Backing that up is another mind-blowing 200-megapixel ultra-wide lens that doesn't just capture a scene, but swallows the entire horizon into your frame. To round out this triple threat, a razor-sharp 48-megapixel periscope telephoto lens delivers a zoom capability so insanely powerful that you can count the eyelashes of a bird sitting miles away right on your screen. You can finally pack up your heavy-duty, expensive DSLRs and throw them in the closet, because BlackBerry just packed a full-scale Hollywood studio straight into your pocket. And yes, for crisp video calls and viral TikToks reels, there's a stunning 50-megapixel AI front-facing camera ready to turn every frame into pure magic. Performance. Now for the true brain of this beast, the engine that leaves the rest of the world eating dust. Beating at the heart of this device is the world's most advanced and powerful Quantum Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 chipset. Engineered to smash through impossible tasks effortlessly, this processor is backed by a monstrous 16 GB of super-fast LPDDR6 RAM. Go ahead, open 50 heavy-duty apps in the background, render 8K video timelines, or max out the graphics settings on the most intensive games on the planet. This phone won't just stay cool, it won't even break a sweat. Lag and stutter don't even exist in this phone's dictionary. Battery life and charging. A monster packed with this much horsepower needs an equally epic power source. BlackBerry skipped no shortcuts here, outfitting it with a cutting-edge 6500 mAh graphene battery. The magic of graphene technology ensures that this battery delivers non-stop, all-day power while keeping the phone ice-cold, no matter how heavy your workload gets. As for charging, BlackBerry bundles a fierce 120-watt hypercharger right inside the box. By the time you walk away to grab a cup of coffee, this beast will be charged from 0 to 100% and ready to dance in your hands. Price and release date. Now, for the million-dollar question, what is the price of this ultimate flagship, and when is it dropping? Given the elite level of finish, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched swagger it brings to the table, the price is estimated to hover around $1,200. Honestly, for everything this phone offers, that price tag feels like a steal, because this isn't just a gadget, it's the ultimate statement piece for your lifestyle. Mark your calendars and break out the red pen, because the BlackBerry Titan 5G storm is officially landing in the global tech market in the final week of December 2026. So, the choice is yours, tech fam. Can BlackBerry use the Titan 5G to shatter Apple and Samsung's thrones and reclaim its legendary empire? Are you ready to ditch your iPhone and make this BlackBerry beast your daily driver? Let us know your brutally honest thoughts in the comments below.